A great nonstick fry pan can completely transform your cooking experience, making everything from flipping eggs to searing steak a breeze. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll break down the features that make the best nonstick fry pans stand out, helping you find the perfect addition to your kitchen for effortless cooking and easy cleanup. Let's dive in. If you're in the market for a high-performing frying pan without breaking the bank, the OXO Frying Pan Skillet is a fantastic option for this year. This skillet packs a punch with its durable hard anodized construction and PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating, which is reinforced with diamonds for exceptional durability and food release. The result? A cooking surface that delivers consistent results without the hassle of sticky pan. This skillet stands out with its ergonomic stainless steel handle, offering a secure grip and its ability to go from stovetop to oven, safe up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're sautéing vegetables or searing meat, it ensures even heat distribution, making it a go-to for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. As for its design, the OXO Enhanced Frying Pan features a sleek black finish that's not only attractive, but also resistant to scratches, making it a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. Its 10-inch size is perfect for daily cooking, while the easy-to-clean surface saves time in the kitchen. One downside is that some users have reported that the non-stick coating may not last as long as expected, but overall, for the price, the performance is impressive. For those looking for a reliable, versatile frying pan, this OXO skillet hits all the right notes. The TRAMONTINA non-stick frying pan is a standout in the world of cookware, designed to deliver top-tier performance in both professional kitchens and home settings. Crafted from heavy-gauge aluminum, this skillet ensures fast and even heat distribution, providing consistent cooking results every time. The reinforced fusion rivetless non-stick coating allows for easy food release and effortless cleanup, making it a great option for busy cooks. What sets this pan apart is its versatility. It's compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops. Although it's not suitable for induction, you can also safely use it in the oven, with a heat tolerance of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The solid stainless steel handle is paired with a soft grip silicone sleeve for maximum comfort, and it's removable, making it perfect for both stovetop cooking and oven use. Not only is the TRAMONTINA frying pan durable, but it's also dishwasher safe for hassle-free maintenance. It's NSF certified, meeting the high standards required for professional kitchen equipment, ensuring you can rely on it for years to come. Made in Brazil, this frying pan combines craftsmanship with functionality, offering a lifetime warranty for added peace of mind. For anyone looking for a long-lasting, high-quality frying pan, this is a fantastic choice. Next up, let's take a look at the MISEN Premium 9-piece Nonstick Cookware Set, a must-have for any kitchen in 2025. Designed for those who value both quality and functionality, this set includes 3 essential nonstick pans that combine a sleek design with performance. MISEN has crafted this cookware with a durable aluminum core that ensures even heat distribution, reducing hot spots and promoting consistent cooking results. The PFOA-free nonstick coating makes it easy to cook delicate dishes like eggs and fish without worrying about sticking, and cleanup is a breeze, no scrubbing required. The set is also oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, adding to its versatility. One of the standout features of this set is the Stay Cool stainless steel handle. Not only are they ergonomically designed for comfort, but they also won't transfer heat, so you won't have to worry about burned hands. The pans are compatible with all cooktops, including induction, making them suitable for a wide range of kitchens. While the set is dishwasher safe for added convenience, it's also built to last on, thanks to the tough non-stick coating and solid construction. The modern, timeless design ensures that the MISEN pans look as good as they perform, complementing any kitchen decor. In conclusion, the MISEN Premium 9-piece Nonstick Cookware Set offers a perfect balance of durability, design, and performance, making it an excellent choice for both everyday cooking and special meals. Introducing the CUISINART Nonstick Hard Anodized Open Skillet, a top contender in the world of kitchen cookware. This skillet combines durability, performance, and convenience in a sleek package that enhances any cooking experience. If you're someone who enjoys both casual cooking and serious culinary endeavors, this skillet is built for you. Constructed with hard anodized aluminum, this skillet ensures quick and even heat distribution, eliminating the dreaded hot spots that can ruin a dish. The Quantanium non-stick coating, reinforced with titanium, offers exceptional food release and makes cleanup a breeze. It's tough enough to withstand metal utensils, making it ideal for various cooking techniques from sautéing to frying. The sloped sides of the skillet maximize the cooking surface, allowing you to cook multiple ingredients at once without overcrowding. Whether you're browning sausages or frying up a quick batch of vegetables, this skillet handles it all. Plus, the tapered rim ensures drip-free pouring, perfect for those moments when precision is key. The cool grip stainless steel riveted handle remains comfortable and cool during cooking, offering a safe, secure grip. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, the skillet adds versatility to your kitchen arsenal, allowing you to move seamlessly from stovetop to oven. If you're seeking a reliable, easy-to-use skillet that combines quality and functionality, the CUISINART 62224 Chef's Classic 10-inch skillet is an excellent choice. The KYOCERA ceramic nonstick fry pan is the best nonstick skillet for home cooks looking for a reliable, easy-to-clean pan with a commitment to health-conscious cooking. This 12-inch frying pan is made with a proprietary ceramic nonstick coating, which is PTFE-free, PFOA-free, and cadmium-free, making it a safer choice for cooking without sacrificing performance. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, frying eggs, or making a quick stir-fry, the superior nonstick surface ensures that food slides off effortlessly with minimal oil or butter. The pan is designed with durability in mind. Its heavy-duty aluminum construction allows for quick and even heat distribution, making it ideal for both gas and induction stovetops. The riveted stainless steel handle provides a sturdy and comfortable grip, while the flat-bottom design ensures even contact with the cooking surface for consistent results. For added versatility, this fry pan is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for seamless transitions from stovetop to oven. The pan's energy-efficient design ensures quick heating, saving time and energy, while the high-quality ceramic coating promotes healthy, low-fat cooking. However, to maintain the nonstick surface, it's essential to avoid using metal utensils or high heat, and hand washing is recommended. Overall, the KYOCERA ceramic nonstick fry pan offers excellent performance and value, making it a solid choice for any kitchen, whether you're cooking a simple breakfast or preparing a gourmet dinner.